Okay, so today we're going to look at an example problem using one variable data. So it says here, the table lists the total number of home runs for each American League baseball team in 1989. So you have here, then it says the team, Anaheim through Toronto, and then their number of home runs, 145, all the way down to Toronto with 142. So the first question says make a stem and leaf plot of the number of home runs. So remember here that a stem and leaf plot has the stems, which are everything except your last number. So in this case, since we're in the hundreds, we're going to have our stems will be 2 digits. So what you want to do is you want to look at your lowest number, which is 94, and that's where you're going to start your stem, is in the 90s. And then our highest, it looks like, is 145. So we need to go from our 90s to our hundreds, our 110s, our 120s, our 130s, and our 140s. Now, let's see, we have 94, and we don't have any of the other 90s. Now we want to look at our hundreds, 101. So 101 and 108. So you want to write the lowest first, because the benefit of a stem and leaf plot is that you do have these in size order. So 101 and then 108. Then we look at our 110s. Let's see, we've got 116, 117. So 116 and 117. One thing that you want to make sure that you do, and I'm actually going to go through and change this for here, is you want this to be a good visual representation as well. So you want to make sure that your number spacing is even on your leaf, so it'll almost look like a sideways histogram in a way for you. Okay, so now we're looking at the numbers, and we're in the 120s. We have 129, 27, 26, so 129, 127, 126, another 127, and a 122. So our lowest there is 122. Then we have a 126. Then we have 2 127s and a 129. Okay, now we're in our 130s. And we have 130 and 134, so 0 and 4. And then our 140s, and we have 142 and 45. And 145. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I just want to make sure I got all of them. So I'm going to count here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 numbers in my stem and leaf plot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I